Question, gusto mo bang yumaman or gusto mo lang ng idea ng pagyaman? These are two different things. Because a lot of people want to become rich, but only a few people want to learn the process of becoming rich. Gusto kitang kausapin tungkol sa isang silent na problem na sobrang common na hindi pinag-uusapan ng marami. Kasi maraming tao nagsabi, ay gusto ko lang makaipon, gusto ko umasenso, gusto ko talaga yumaman. Maganda pakinggan. Very positive, very inspirational. Pero here's the problem. Those goals sounds good, but they are too blurry in terms of very general siya. Sa mga seminars at coaching sessions ko, one questions that comes out very often is, Coach, matagal na wala pa rin nangyayari sa buhay ko. Alam mo, this is what I've observed. Many of them, hindi naman sila tamad, hindi naman sila pabaya. Nag-iipon, nagbabawas ng utang, nag-aaral tungkol sa pera. 'Di ba? Pero, hindi pa rin talaga umuusad. Yung parang feeling nila na napag-iwanan sila. Ang hindi lang siguro nakikita ng karamihan, silence means what? Progress. Oftentimes na we want na instant result, but reality is hindi po ganun ang nangyayari. So just like the Chinese bamboo tree, on the first year no progress, 'di ba? Second year walang progress, and then on the third to the fifth year, bigla na lang it will grow up to 90 feet for the next 30 to 60 days. So, the question is this, when did the bamboo tree started to grow? Nag-grow siya even from one, ang growth niya pababa. Because in order for the bamboo tree to reach 60 to 90 feet, it needs to grow to what? Deep roots. Kung hindi siya deep roots, kung babagyuin 60 to 90 feet, definitely pag may dumaan na bagyo, maa-uproot siya. Ganun din ang katotohanan in real wealth. It's not sprint, marathon siya. Hindi siya hype, sistema siya. Hindi siya biglaan, disiplina siya. Guys, warning lang may mga gumagawa po ng mga fake AI videos using my name para mag-endorse ng investment. I will never endorse any type of investment. If may makita kayo, please report it right away. Ingat. Back to our regular programming. Bakit itong mga vague goals na ito walang mangyayari kung generalize siya, hindi siya specific? Bakit kailangan mo ng clarity? And paano natin i-turn itong ikangay wish natin into really action? So, let's talk about yung general. A general goal is something that sounds meaningful. Ay, gusto ko talaga umasenso at yumaman. Pero kung wala siyang specific, nako, hindi siya mangyayari. I want to save more. I want to earn more. I want to have a better life. Pero dapat tanungin mo sarili mo yung specific, measurable, achievable, readable, and time-bounded. Okay, specific. Diba? Ba't ka nag-iipon? Para saan? Tapos measurable. Magkano kailangan mo ipunin? Achievable ba? Paano ko mag-start? Saan magagaling yung kikitain mo? Then R, readable ba? Relevant ba? Ano dapat kong gawin para ma-achieve ko yan? Ano dapat kong i-sacrifice? Diba may game plan ka? Pag wala kang SMART goals na sinasabi, yung dream mo will become wishful thinking. So instead of moving, you will stand still. And the good news is this, pag clear ang goal mo, clear ang strategy mo. For example, sabi mo, I want to save 20,000 in the next 6 months for my emergency funds. Yun nga, ibig sabihin, different yan. So, ang gagawin mo, yung 20,000 divided by 6, more or less you need 3,500 pesos per month. So, ang tanong mo, 3,500, saan magagaling to? May sideline ba ako? O babawasan ko yung gastos ko para magkaroon ng extra 3,500 para in 6 months, meron akong 20,000. Ang kagandahan, now your brain has a target. You can compute. You can plan, you can adjust. Alam mo kung magkano kailangan mong ipunin, alam mo kung saan magagaling, alam mo ano kailangan mong baguhin. Ang good news, when there's clear strategy, there's clear action. And let's be honest, you cannot build a real plan. Yung sinatawag natin, sana all. Sana all. Hindi yung sana all, hanggang sana lang. You build plans with clear goals and clear strategy. Huwag mong i-goal na yumaman na mabilis. I-goal mo na yumaman ng pangmatagalan. Make sense? So guys, may kakilala ako na biglang kumita ng malaki. Alam mo yung malaki negosyo, malaking pera, pero imbis na gumanda ang buhay, nasira ang buhay. After a few years, nalugi, walang ipon, walang sistema, balik sa stress. Sabi nga niya sa akin na nagkita kami, Coach, sana pala natuto kong humawak ng pera nung bago dumating ang biyaya. Well, masakit ang katotohanan, hindi lahat ng blessing. Sometimes, it can be a curse. Finally, you ask, Chinky, how do I set goals? Simple lang. Number 1, ask yourself specifically, anong gusto mo? What do you want? That's number 1. Number 2, ask yourself, when do you want it? Kailan mo gusto? Number 3, Why does it matter to you? Bakit mahalaga to sa'yo? Because if you know the why part in life, the how part will take care of itself. Uulitin mo ulit anong na mo kailangan at bakit mo kailangan. For example, kailangan ko ng 10,000 pesos in 3 months so that I will be able to travel. It's clear, it's personal, meron kang dahilan. Pero kung sinimulan mo na ngayon, kahit maliit, nagbago ka na, nag-iipon ka na, nagiging responsible ka na, believe me, after 3 to 5 years, is ibang buhay, ibang option, ibang peace. If you continue to do what you're doing, what do you think will be the result? What is one bad financial habit that you want to change? And the most important question is this: are you planning for the future or are you only hoping for the future? Kapatid, hindi ka late, hindi ka talo, hindi ka failure. You're just growing. Stay clear, stay focused, and stay Ching Positive.
Chinky Tan, with over 6 million Facebook followers, 2.8 million YouTube subscribers, and 2.4 million TikTok fans, is now all out to share with you the most practical, simplest path to lasting wealth.